Good morning, UP. It's September 21 today. It's a Sunday. And kung hindi nyo maririnig sa background, may mga drums na. So, you know what date it is today? September 21. Let's fight for our rights, for our taxes to be spent on the valid reasons, for the reasons of what it should be. It must be used in improving our country and not end up in the pockets of those corrupt politicians or contractors. So yun lang. I'm one with the Philippines, with the Filipino people.
Okay, okay na.
And we will run now. Sumabay pa yung fun run, no? False run pala to. Yan na sila, guys. So we have to do a detour. Nakaharang sila. Hindi. I mean, mas importante yan, syempre. Trillions of pesos ang pinag-uusapan dyan eh. Makibaka! Makibaka! We, hindi nga.
Kasya naman pa sa likod. Sunod ang wala.
Yan na sila. Okay, takbo ulit. Before jogging again. Ayan. Highly recommend, guys. Kasi wide yung ano niya. Wide yung toe niya. Masarap ipantakbo. Hoka shoes. So, buli na natin yung aking anak. Ay, thank you. Oh, jogging din siya, oh. Nantok ka, bebe. Bye-bye.